This is gonna blow your mind. Eddie Redmayne is now a cunning assassin in the new The Day of the Jackal. But is it a hit or miss? The Day of the Jackal 2024 is here, and it's got everyone talking. Some critics are loving it, calling it a stylish thrill ride with international settings that rival The Night Manager. Eddie Redmayne's performance? Pure gold, they say. But hold up, not everyone is on board. The series stretches the original movie's tight plot over 10 episodes, and some feel it loses its edge. Too many subplots, not enough tension between Redmayne and Lashana Lynch. It's a mixed bag for sure. Still, if you're into luxurious locations and suspenseful plots, this might just be your next binge. Visually stunning and action-packed, The Day of the Jackal is here to make you question if it lives up to the classic or not. So hit or miss, that's for you to decide.